Hi there, and welcome to this bioinformatics course, which is going to be Road to Become a Bioinformatician in 2024. So, why are we making this course? So, this course is for the beginners who want to enter in the field of bioinformatics, and I want to share my side of knowledge to those bioinformaticians because my name is Abdurrahman Ikram, and I am a bioinformatician for more than 4 years. So I will share my little portfolio to you guys. So I have been working as a computational biologist in different companies, and I have some hands-on experience on Python and R scripting as well. And I have always been working on Linux operating system as well. So I have some professional skills of Python and bioinformatics, CLI and WSL, and I'm also working on R projects. So here are some of my research projects, and these are some of my feature courses that are available on the Udemy. So enough about me, and now let's talk about the course. So in the first session of Road to Becoming a Bioinformatician, today we are diving into the exciting world of bioinformatics. For example, we are going to look at its history and understanding its crucial role in the modern biology. So first of all, I have made a little roadmap for you guys for this lecture. So in this lecture, we are going to see what we are going to learn. For example, what is bioinformatics? So simple definition of bioinformatics can be a field which combines computational side and biological side. For example, when we combine computer science, their algorithms, their tools with the foundation of molecular biology. For example, the information of genes, genomes, and we annotate it on a computer. That what bioinformatics is. So now let's look at its history. So bioinformatics as we know it today has emerged late in 20th century with the advancement of modern biology and the explosion of biological data. For example, if we see here in the late 20th century, there was advancement of molecular biology. For example, where the scientists were getting a lot of data and they were getting a lot of results, and they need a proper data organization for the analysis of biological data. So that's why they have selected a field which combines modern biology complex data, and it organizes the data and also analyzes the data. So let's say the role of bioinformatics. What was the role of bioinformatics when this field was made? So bioinformatics plays a important role in the modern biology by facilitating the analysis of complex biological data. It enables us to unravel the mysteries of genome, exploration of life diversity, and understanding the genetic diseases on Earth. So, by integrating biology and the computer science, we will get the meaningful results, and this is how bioinformatics evolved. For example, if we see modern biology facilitate, it facilitates according to the modern biology. It gives us the analysis of complex data, helps us in understanding of genomes, and exploration of life diversity. For example, diseases you can say. So the bioinformatics is made by integrating the biology, which was its foundation, and then we will look at computer science. So computer science was used for the algorithms and tools. So when we use algorithms and tool to analyze the biological data, then we have results of bioinformatics. So meaningful insights. What does this mean? Meaningful insights. So the meaningful insights mean bioinformatics integrate various disciplines to tackle some biological question. So biology provides the foundation and computer science provides us the tools and algorithm for the data analysis. And the meaningful insights that we get from the data is the interdisciplinary approach, such as genomics, proteomics, and system biology. For example, if we give you a similar concept, genomics is the field where we study genes, and proteomics is the field where we study about proteins. And the system biology is the handling of complex data. So the meaningful insights that we generate from the data analysis is these. So the bioinformatics is mainly applicable in managing of big data. It helps us in health and drug discovery, structure of proteins. It helps us in protein structure prediction, development and implementation of tool, analysis and interpretation of data. For example, we have the data of some kind of, for example, we can say we have the human gene that is not decoded yet. We have that data. So bioinformation does the job to interpret and analyze that data. Then we make new algorithm and statics, and after development of that, we implement into the tools. So we use tools to predict the protein structure, to do the health and drug discovery, and that always downfalls into management of big data. So that is how a bioinformation introduction is, you can say, you can integrate and different foundations and tools to manage the big data. That is the job of bioinformatics. So as we embark on this journey together, remember that bioinformatics is not just a field or study. It is a gateway to unlocking the secrets of life itself. I hope this introduction has sparked some curiosity and enthusiasm for the excited road ahead. Stay tuned for the next lectures, and I will see you in another one.